Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to use blend tools. So you can click file and I will create new design. For the first object you can draw a circle, and the next I will use the pull tools to convert into 3D. And you can create new plane. I will select up this face and move the plane object in blue axis. The next, create new sketch, and I will go to plane view. So in here you can draw the rectangle. I will click from these points into here and use the pulse again to convert into 3D. Now I will use blend tools to connect between these objects from this face into here. You can go to design and then click this blend tools. So I will select at this face, and the second face you can select in here. So it will be create the new blend. Don't forget to press the control button to select the multiple face. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to use blend tools. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.